Tornado! Tornado! Ah!
What? Did you see that?
That looks like. Oh my god! I'll zoom in, guys.
Oh my god, I see lightning.
Again. Oh, close us up.
What?
Okay.
It's going over and home.
Oh god!
There's one over there.
Guys, stop being
What the?
scaredy cats. So let's run away and get away from the storm.
I'm not running away. I'm staying here.
It's Fortnite, guys. It's Fortnite. Run!
If we want to survive it, why can't we go high? Yeah.
It will still go through like. Whoosh. Ah, the puppies! They're chasing me! Ah! 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 Uh-oh. Ah! Hello. Ah! Ah!
It's coming this way slowly.
Oh my god, I'm out of here.
I saw one on top of the window.
Ah!
We're surrounded! I'm going to the basement when it's over us.
Okay, guys, let's get to the basement. It's a tornado, guys! Get to the basement. Tonight, though. Come on, no.
Recorded from the
Come on. We're underneath. Okay.
We're gonna die. I know
Yeah.
we are. Why can't we go downstairs when it's close? Guys, let's say our prayers. I'm going upstairs and wait until it goes over. Me too.
Jeez.
And then I'll go to the basement. Me
Oh my god, it's here.
No, it's not.
Just kidding.
Yes.
Fergie! Oh my god, somebody farted.
That's you.
No, it wasn't. Oh my god, I saw the lightning. I mean the tornado.
Just shut the hell up.
No.
We're gonna die anyway. Oh look, it's coming closer.
Fergie!
Wait, nice.
Fergie!
Stare at the clouds. It's moving faster.
Oh my god, guys.
Whoa! It just shot me. Guys, look, we can't go here because if we go here, they're trying to go here. Then we gotta go up there.
Guys, the lightning's coming.
It's almost over right there.
It's on top of us.
It's on top of us.
We're on top of the world.
That's one. When do you want to start going inside?
I don't know.
Oh,
They're getting close.
Antoine, we're the dopest kids of all. We're just. Oh my god! Wait, what about Leela?
Leela!
She was walking towards the big school, the big high school.
Well, she's she's fucking lucky.
Guys,
I'm out of here, guys.
in the basement.
Guys, no, let's go through the front door. Let's go talk to your parents. Let's see there.
I'm on the back door.
That's the back door, you dummy.
Coming closer, Antoine. I'm not getting stripped like me.
Ah!
Wait, I want to watch from the door. I'm not from the door. I don't want to die today. And I don't want to die. Like, I don't want to die today.
Guys, I got a flashlight.
It's over the house, guys.
Oh, God.
It did thunder.
Come on, guys. Get under the house. Get under the house.
Come on. Move on. We're going to survive.
You get it. You hold it. I need to get.
Guys.
I'm getting a blanket. Guys, come on. Get a blanket.
Hell no.
Hurry, Sal.
Wait, I want to see.
Come on.
What if
Wait.
the power starts to shut off?
We got a flashlight.
Whoa.
We got a flashlight anyways.
It's over our heads. Let's get it under there.
Yeah, let's go.
I have to find my other. We're not dying. We're surviving.
Come on. Flash the light. I can't see. Okay. I'll place a blanket down.
We're gonna survive. We're
There.
not gonna die.
Yeah. I hope so.
Okay.
Okay. And done.
I guess Fergie and I don't want to live.
Yeah.
Shut up.
Oh my god, it's so scary. Wait, place the flashlight that you saw. Oh, here, you hold the camera. Okay, guys.
I can't see your face. All I see is a light. Okay.
Vlog number 1. I was kidding. It's vlog 7. Now there's a tornado out there. Like 2 days ago, there's a big fire around over there at Eagleville. And now there's a freaking tornado, and we're all gonna die. So
No, I didn't. I didn't.
Oh my god! Ah!
I didn't die.
Okay, get in here. I'm gonna go see.
No,
Okay.
it's freaking scary out there. I saw a big...
Janaya, here, hold the camera. I mean, the.
Guys, I saw a big tornado. I saw...
Wait, honestly, I'm gonna pause the video. For real?
And it's real windy outside.
Oh my god.
Let's go. We have to go out there in the wind. It's gonna be fun.
Wait, I'm gonna get my jacket.
I already have a jacket on.
Cause it's warm in this, my snow jacket.
Whoa!